Today we are going over integer operations. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. So if we are adding integers, we follow these rules. If the signs are the same, we are friends, add the values of the numbers and keep the sign. So if we did 3 plus 5, they're both positive, so 3 plus 5 is 8, keep it positive. Another one we could do is -7 plus -2. Notice they're both negative, so we add the numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9, and keep the sign, -9. Next, if the signs are different, we're at war. The larger value number will win the sign battle. We subtract the values of the numbers to see by how much. So if we had 6 plus -2, we know the signs are different. So we subtract the values. 6 minus 2 is 4. And we keep the sign of the larger value number. 6 is larger than 2, so we keep it a positive 4. Another example would be -7 plus 3. So we know 7 and 3, we subtract them, that would give us 4. And then we keep the sign of the larger value number. 7 is larger than 3, so this would be a -4. Now let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction is the same as adding a negative. So just like we did over here where we're adding a negative number, we would have, for example, 6 minus 2, that would be the same as 6 plus -2. So then we would have 6 minus 2 is 4, keep the sign of the larger number. This I know looks very basic like elementary school, 6 minus 2 is 4. You can also use that. But when we get things like 3 minus 7, that's not so intuitive because you haven't done that in a while. So 3 minus 7, it's like adding two different signs, a +3 and a -7. So we subtract the number, 7 minus 3 is 4, and keep the sign of the larger number. 7 is the larger value number, so we keep the negative. We could also do -3 minus 8. Remember, if they're the same sign, we follow this rule up here. So -3 and -8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Keep the sign, negative. One more example, -4 minus 1. So they're the same sign, -4 and -1, so we add the numbers and keep the sign. Next, we have multiplication. So with multiplication, if they have the same sign, we end up with a positive answer. 6 times 2 equals +12, and -6 times -2 equals +12. Same sign, positive number. Different signs, negative answer. So for example, we did 2 times -4. Notice +2, -4, we would end up with -8. Or if we switched it, -2 times -4, +4. Same thing, they're different signs, so it's negative, and then 2 times 4 gives us 8. Now let's check division. So division, same sign, once again, positive answer. So for example, if we did 6 divided by 2, both positive or both same sign, +3. But if we also did -6 divided by -2, we know 6 divided by 2 is 3, same sign, positive. Different signs, negative. So if we have -4 divided by a +2, different signs, negative answer, 4 divided by 2 is 2. It doesn't matter if the negative is on the top or the bottom, as long as one of them is negative, the answer is negative because they have different signs.